Hey folks, welcome back. And on today's episode, we are going to be making lasagna. So let's get into this video and ingredients, shan't we? Alright, so these are the basic ingredients for your lasagna. We have ground beef, and we're gonna mix it in with a little bit of pork because this is kind of too small. We have Parmesan cheese, we have ricotta cheese, 1 egg for the ricotta cheese to mix into that. We have our lasagna, of course, the noodles, only 1 box. We have onions, garlic. I should use fresh garlic, but this is what I have on hand. Mozzarella cheese, cannot forget the cheese, as well as the ragu sauce. I have completely seasoning, and I'm probably gonna put onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper. I might use my mother's green seasoning, maybe add a Maggie cube in there too. I should have had a habanero pepper, but I forgot to buy that, so I didn't add that to the recipe. But this is your basic ingredient list. Okay guys, so let's grab a pan and pour about a tablespoon of oil, any oil of your choice, into that pan, and let's cook off this ground beef. Again, I am going to add some, I think it's like pork sausage, that's what it is. It's pork sausage into it as well, only because I only had a little bit of ground beef, so I'm gonna mix the two. It's all right, I eat pork. We eat swine in my house. Anyway, let me fast forward this video, and we are going to cook this meat until it's about a little bit brownish, and then add the onions. We're gonna add onions. What I should have done, and I don't know if I did this on camera, you see all the oils and stuff that is like boiling. I should have drained that out first before I added the onions and the garlic, but it's okay. We're just gonna let all that stuff just marinate and let it just be juicy. All right, so here is Mimi's APs. Bomb APs. Let me tell you, this makes everything taste good. I also have a video up on how to make that as well, but if you want to go ahead and buy it, hit me up. I got to connect. Anyway, okay, so back to cooking. So we're gonna go ahead and add some of this green APs into the mix, and we're gonna go ahead as well as add some of our seasonings. I think by this point I did drain out most of that oil and juices that was coming from the meat, but I didn't record that part. So let's just season these bad boys up and get ready for that sauce. You know, that sauce be the boss. Now this is just regular ragu sauce. I don't think this is just a regular traditional ragu sauce. All the flavoring and everything is gonna come from the spices that you put in there anyway. So just make sure you add whatever spice, Cajun, salt, pepper, onions, whatever floats your boat. Okay, so what we're gonna do is after we cook that, we are going to let that meat rest and cool down for a little bit before we start building our lasagna. As you can see, I have everything ready to build this lasagna, and what you want to do is work in layers. So the first layer is going to be your ground beef. We're going to lay that down as so, and then after we lay that down, we are going to put cheese, the ricotta cheese, regular cheese, or the mozzarella cheese, and then our noodles, and then continue to build up until we get to the pretty much the top of the pan. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this whole thing so you can pretty much see the process of building our lasagna. Please forgive me. I was actually trying to make this lasagna and record at the same time. So both my hands were pretty much busy. So if it's not full screen, that is the reason why. I so apologize, folks. I so apologize. All right, let's get back into this fast forward and you can watch me put this lasagna together. Okay, so by the time you're done, this is what your lasagna is supposed to look like. So you go ahead and take some aluminum foil and you wrap that up and stick it in the oven for about at 350. I did it for like 40 minutes. It's about 40 minutes. There's enough time to let all that just do its thing. You know what I'm saying? Let the cheese melt into the cheese, and the cheese melt into the meat, and then the meat melt into the noodles, and then the noodles melting into the everything else. Everything else. That lasagna looked bomb, and trust me when I tell you, it was delicious. Okay? So let me know in the comments below what you think of this video. Are you gonna try it? I've always thought lasagna was such a hard dish to make. Like, it just seemed like it took forever. But in all actuality, once you have everything cooked off and mixed up and ready to go, this was easy breezy cover girl. So, ooh, don't film me, guys. Let's wait right here for the pull, because that pull was something serious. Again, forgive me because I am recording with one hand and trying to cut with the other. But here it is. Here's that pull. Here's that pull. Here's that pull. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Ah, look at the steam coming from. It's the steam for me. It's the steam for me. Now, I probably should have added more cheese. I'm looking at this now. I'm like, oh, there's a pull. You see it? I see it. There it is. But I probably, man, my mouth is watering just thing. Okay, I probably should have added more lasagna to this, but, more cheese. I apologize, more cheese to this. But this came out perfect, guys. Like, it was so good. Again, let me know in the comments below what you think. If you like it, would you make it? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. And yeah, stay tuned. Love you guys. Bye.